Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to study a new lesson, The Missile Man of India. The 8th lesson of the test. आज हम लोग एक नया पार्ट भारत का मिसाइल मैन जिसे कहा जाता है अर्थात अब्दुल कलाम, जो हमारे पूर्व राष्ट्रपति भी रह चुके हैं, उनके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। आज हम लोग रीडिंग करेंगे और उसमें आए हुए कठिन शब्दों को, अर्थों को समझेंगे और उसका अनुवाद और उस पर प्रश्नोत्तर कल समझाएंगे। चलिए सीधे हम पाठ पर आते हैं। अबुल पकीर जैनुलवादीन अब्दुल कलाम, बहुत लंबा नाम है। APJ अबुल कलाम शॉर्ट फॉर्म है। अबुल से अबुल पकीर जैनुलवादीन अब्दुल कलाम, द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया। अबुल पकीर जैनुलवादीन Abdul Kalam, usually known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Although he was born in a poor family, he was exceptionally brilliant child. His father, Jainuddin, was a boat owner who ferried Hindu pilgrims at the Rameswaram temple in Tamil Nadu. His father was also an imam at the local mosque, and his mother Ashiarama His mother, Ashiamma, was a housewife. His father was also an imam at local mosque, and his mother, Ashiamma, was a housewife. He started working at a young age. He sold tamarind seeds and newspapers to support his family. After completing his schooling at the Rameswaram Elementary School, Kalam went to attend St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli. The college was affiliated to the University of Madras, from where he graduated in physics in 1954. He specialized in aero engineering from Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. Dr. Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He was made the Chancellor of the Institute of Space Science and Technology. He worked in Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, in 1958, and then joined Indian Satellite Research Organization, इसे ISRO कहते हैं, ISRO, in 1963. Indian Space Research Organization. He made significant contribution to Indian satellite and also in the missile program of DRDO. As a project director of SLV-3, he contributed to the development and management of India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, to inject Rohini satellite in the near Earth orbit. His greatest contribution was in the field of missiles. Agni, Prithvi, Akash, Trishul and Nag missiles were developed by him. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. Besides being such a great scientist, he was a great writer too. He has written many books such as Wings of Fire, Ignited Minds, Target 3 Billion, Turning Point, India 2020, A Vision for New Millennium, My Journey. He has mentioned his dream of making India a developed country in his book India 2020. A vision for the new millennium, his advice to the youngsters of the nation was to dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. The government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan 1990, Bharat Ratna including Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration 1997. Dr. Kalam passed away on 27th July 2015 while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management IIM in Shillong. The whole world was shocked and saddened by the sudden and untimely death of the simple, humble, yet one of the greatest men of our times. About him, a line is written, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. प्यारे बच्चों, इसमें आए हुए कठिन शब्दों को हम के अर्थों को पहले समझ लें। एक्सेप्शनली माने असाधारण रूप से, ब्रिलियंट माने होशियार, बुद्धिमान, तेज, ओनर माने मालिक, फेरिड माने नाव से ले जाते थे, इमाम मौलवी, मास्क मस्जिद, स्कूलिंग शिक्षा, एफिलेटेड माने संबंध, ग्रेजुएटेड स्नातक की उपाधि प्राप्त की, स्पेशलाइज्ड माने दक्षता हासिल की, चांसलर कुलाधिपति, ज्वाइंट माने जुड़े, सिग्निफिकेंट महत्वपूर्ण, कंट्रीब्यूशन योगदान, इंडिजिनस स्वदेशी, ऑर्बिट उपग्रह का परिक्रमा पथ, डेवलप्ड माने विकसित की, बैलिस्टिक माने प्राक्षेपिक, बिसाइड्स माने इसके अतिरिक्त बजाय, साइंटिस्ट माने वैज्ञानिक, विजन माने दृष्टि, मेंशन माने बताया, उल्लेख किया, ट्रांसफॉर्म बदलते हैं, थॉट्स विचार, ऑनर्ड माने सम्मानित किया, पास्ड अवे देहांत हो गया, होल माने संपूर्ण, शॉक्ड माने चकित, सैडेंड माने दुखी, सडन माने अचानक, अनटाइमली माने वक्त से पहले, सिंपल माने साधारण जीवन। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोग ये दी गई वर्ड मीनिंग को अच्छी तरह से कॉपी में उतार लीजिए, 2-3 बार इसकी पाठ की रीडिंग कर लीजिए। कहीं कोई दिक्कत आती है तो आप मुझसे किसी भी समय संपर्क कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।